Hello, today we're going to discuss inspection of machinery, equipment in hazardous locations. Your PPE for this evolution would be your standard helmet, coverall, steel-toed shoes, your 4-gas meter. You also want to secure your cell phones and shut them off before you ever walk aboard the tank ship. Okay, what we have here is a copy of the danger zone identifying the hazardous locations on the vessel. This is the front of the house. That'll be the after boundary of the hazardous zone. These dictate the high velocity vents, so vapors that would be pushed up. This is the cargo tanks itself, where vapors are always going to be present when they're in cargo. And then if you look at this profile, looking down, it shows a radius around the vents. This is the forward end of the hazardous location, right here. This, of course, would be where the anchors are up. So the machinery, we want to make sure it's appropriate as per the hazardous location plan. If we notice on top of this space here, there's an electrical motor. Should have a non-sparking fan inside there, and it's somewhat above the deck. Okay, this is ship's crane. Behind the sealed door is the electrical drive motors that's going to drive the hydraulics to actually function the crane. So if you look at the lines up here, those are hydraulic lines. The electrical motor is sealed inside the space. One of the other things you'll see on deck is grounding straps. The grounding straps are going to be secured on both ends to prevent stray current. At present, we're at the after end of the hazardous zone. If you'll notice, this is the front of the house. That is an explosive-proof light fixture. If we go outside the hazardous location, we look at this light fixture. This light fixture is just a watertight fixture. In summary, we looked at inspection of machinery in hazardous locations. We talked about the proper PPE. We looked at the hazardous location chart. We made sure that the machinery in the hazardous location was appropriate. We looked at explosive-proof motors. We made sure the fans were explosive-proof. We looked at different machinery and their components, junction boxes. We looked at conditions of fittings. We made sure wires were properly installed. We did type approval on motor controllers. And that's about it. If you have any additional questions, get a hold of your local verifying officer.